welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing of my new camera. So I have the Canon EOS M100. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna do the unboxing now. So here's the box again. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna open the box now. So I got this from Best Buy. I think it's right now, because it's not really the latest camera, but because I'm a new vlogger, right? So I wanted to invest something. So I decided just to buy this one. Before it's more expensive. Now it's only $399 plus tax. So basically I got it from around $450 or 51, something like that, Canadian dollars. So I'm now opening the box. So the first thing that I see is this like Canon card something. So it has the manual. So here's the manual. So make sure, if you're not sure on how to use the camera first, make sure to read the manual, because it really can help you. Like, it will teach you how to operate your camera. And then, so more paper. So now I'm gonna open it. So the first thing that I see is it has a free camera strap. So here's the strap. It's nice because when you travel, you can wear your camera while taking videos or when you're taking pictures. And then this is the camera. It's wrapped with bubble wrap. It's really good that they have this because it protects your camera. So this is how it looks like. I'm so excited, guys. So here you go. So this is how it looks like. You can flip the camera. It's really good for vlogging because I can definitely do like this, right? Or you can also do this when you're taking pictures. Flip it like this. Just be careful. So here's how it looks like. And then this one. This is the lens. I'll show you how the lens looks like. This one. See, there you go. So I think when you open this, you press this. Yep. That's how you put it back. And then here comes the battery. This is the battery for the camera. And then the charger. So I'll show you the charger. So here's the charger, guys. Yep. So basically, that's what's inside the box. So yeah, I really like it. I'm excited to use it. So here's how the camera looks like when you put the lens. Unfortunately, I need to buy a new memory card because I can't find my memory card. So it's important to make sure you ready your memory card when you have your camera, because at first I really thought there's a free memory card included, but no. So if you don't have one and you're not sure where your memory card is, make sure you buy a new one when you buy your camera. So yep, so this is how it looks like. So when you want to take off the thing, you can just press this button if you wanna adjust it. So basically, yeah, so that's it. So I'm excited. So I hope, even though it's a short video, you enjoyed unboxing with me, because this is my first vlogging camera. So soon I'll make a review about this. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the red button down below, and if you like this video, click the like button and the notification bell so you guys are updated with my video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.